Deep in the lakes of Mexico lives a creature that looks like it belongs in a video game, not in real life. It smiles, it keeps its baby-like gills forever, and it can regrow lost limbs like a superhero. This is the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish. But here's the strange part. It's not a fish at all. Tonight, let's dive into the weird and wonderful life of the axolotl, a real animal that breaks almost every rule of nature. In nature, most creatures grow up. Frogs start as tadpoles. Salamanders hatch with gills, then lose them to walk on land. But axolotls, they simply refuse. They stay in their larval form forever, keeping their fluffy gills and baby face. This phenomenon is called Neoteny, eternal youth. To put it simply, imagine if humans stayed 12 years old, but still had kids, built houses, and lived adult lives. That's the axolotl, forever young, forever weird. Axolotls are regeneration masters. Lose a leg, they grow a new one. Lose part of their spinal cord, they rebuild it. Scientists have even found that axolotls can regenerate parts of their heart and brain. What's crazier? They don't scar. Their bodies repair perfectly, as if nothing ever happened. It's no wonder scientists are studying axolotls, hoping to one day unlock regeneration for humans. Axolotls are native to Mexico, living mostly in Lake Xochimilco. For the Aztecs, these animals weren't just odd creatures, they were sacred. In Aztec mythology, the god Xolotl, twin brother of Quetzalcoatl, transformed into an axolotl to escape sacrifice. That's why the axolotl's name literally comes from Xolotl's water monster. Sadly, their sacred lake is now polluted, and wild axolotls are critically endangered, from millions in the past to only a few hundred left in the wild today. But in captivity, they thrive in labs, classrooms, and aquariums around the world. It's strange. In the wild, axolotls are disappearing, yet in captivity, they're everywhere, popular as pets, research animals, and even internet mascots. They are an endangered species, and at the same time, one of the most common salamanders people own. It's one of nature's weirdest paradoxes, an animal fighting extinction in one world while thriving in another. Cute, smiling, and a little weird, axolotls are internet stars. They inspired Pokemon like Mudkip and Wooper. They appeared as a friendly mob in Minecraft. They show up on TikTok as the smiling water dragon. For a creature that hides in muddy lakes, they've become surprisingly famous. Proof that sometimes the strangest animals are also the most loved. Beyond their cuteness, axolotls may hold secrets for the future of medicine. Scientists are mapping their genome, which is 10 times larger than the human genome. Why? Because inside those genes lie the keys to regeneration, healing, and maybe even extending human life. In fact, researchers believe studying axolotls could one day help cure paralysis, repair damaged hearts, or even regrow limbs. Imagine a tiny smiling salamander holding the future of modern medicine. So what can we learn from the axolotl? Sometimes the smallest creatures hide the biggest mysteries. A smiling salamander that never grows up, that heals itself like a superhero, and that carries stories of gods and legends. From the sacred waters of Mexico to the screens of Minecraft players worldwide, the axolotl reminds us that nature is endlessly strange and endlessly wonderful. Which animal should we explore next? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more weird and cozy facts.